Zoe was always a very energetic and outgoing kid. She loved to learn. She got along really well with her classmates. She was a straight A student. There was something very innocent about her. I'll always remember it was the beginning of 8th grade when things started to change.
I've known Zoe since we were kids, and it's always been an easy friendship because she's so chill and always stays positive. I'll always remember the day that I introduced her to Snapchat because she was the only one in our grade without it. And I think that might be my biggest mistake.
Zoe was one of my first ukulele students. She was really passionate in a way that I haven't seen a lot. She really loved the instrument, and I was really excited for her to keep learning.
It was about halfway through the school year when Zoe came home and handed me an essay. It was the first time she had ever gotten a C on her schoolwork, and I was very disappointed, but I could tell that she was even more disappointed. Zoe's very hard on herself, but looking back, I regret being as hard on her as I was.
And then one day she just stopped showing up. I think it was halfway through the school year that she just disappeared on me, and I was really worried about her.
I had begun wondering if she had met someone because she was always on her phone. She never wanted to hang out, and I even stopped seeing her around at school. I missed her, you know. And one day I decided to confront her. Hey Zoe, I think we need to talk about something.
About what?
I haven't been seeing you at school, and we haven't talked for like the past week.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you sure? Because you're always on your phone on social media, but whenever I text you, you're just leaving me on red. I think maybe you should take a break from social media.
Maybe you're right. Controlling my life anymore.
I'm just so glad we figured out what was going on. As a family, we've had so many conversations about how social media is part of the world that we live in. It's going to be a part of all of our lives. And the most important thing is that now Zoe has the right supports to be able to live a healthy life with social media.
I'm so glad to have Zoe back. Now we make time to hang out every Friday, and it's so amazing to be friends with her.
Zoe started coming back to ukulele lessons, and I was really excited to see her. I think this is something that is happening to the younger generation a lot. We're losing our love for our hobbies due to so much dopamine that's available through our phones. And I'm really excited that Zoe has come back from that and that she is willing to explore all these passions that she has.
I still use social media today, but I've finally found a way to balance it with everything that's important to me, and I still struggle with it, but I've gotten better.